So if you've been looking at all these different air purifiers to figure out which one is right for you, I may have just the one. I've been checking out the Zenlyfe Air Purifier. You're thinking, Zenlyfe, that sounds familiar. Yes, I did one of the key tag by Zenlyfe, the Swift, and actually, a lot of times these companies, they want to expand, build their brand, and explore different products. Well, now they've released an air purifier, and I've been using it for about a month now. It has worked really great, has a very large filter in it, which is replaceable. It's relatively quiet, easy to use, has ions and all that type of stuff to help filter the air, multiple levels, an automatic mode, but just an overall really nice product. Now, while I didn't test any like smoke or anything like that going through the unit, what I will tell you is a few times when I've cooked fish, some other stinky things in the house, things like that, it has done a pretty good job kind of clearing the air and making it smell nice and fresh again. And also looking at the filter after running it for a few weeks, it's getting pretty dirty, so it's definitely sucking in a good amount of things. So yes, you can replace this filter. It's really easy to do. Also comes with a remote control if you need to do that. I typically just leave it on the auto setting, let it do whatever it needs to. But not only does it create a little bit of a nice white noise in the background, but then it's also filtering and keeping your air fresh and pure. That's the Zenlyfe Air Purifier. And I think if this is something that you're looking for, this could be a brand and product that you probably want to check out. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.